Wall Street giants secretly kill traditional stock market. JP Morgan, BlackRock, Goldman Sachs move trillions onto blockchain. Old financial system die, trillions shift to digital ledger. Look at your portfolio. Is your money safe? Wall Street giants move trillions in stocks and US treasuries to blockchain. New tech makes trade instant. Costs drop to zero. Old financial system dies today. Watch closely. Big banks built new digital ledger. Now, global markets trade assets on blockchain. Old paper systems die. New digital era starts. Watch global power shift in real time. Finance changed forever. Brokers rule finance. Not anymore. Smart contracts take control. Code executes trades instantly. No middlemen, no high fees. Power shifts to you. Old guard falls. Trust code, not bosses. New era begins. Trillions of dollars merge into giant digital ocean. Old laws break. Regulators panic, writing rules for world that moved past them. How do you stop assets flowing at speed of light? Old markets lock doors at night. Blockchain never sleeps. It runs day, night always. Now you get direct power. No middleman. You trade directly with global market 24 hours every day. Banks merge liquidity pools. Wealth flows across borders. Digital ledger removes friction. Old barriers fall. Money moves instantly now. Global capital shifts. Watch power change hands. Nothing stops this flood. Look at these empty trading floors. Silence replaces screaming brokers. Dust settles on cold screens. Why? Blockchain runs every trade now. Code replaced humans. The old financial world died without a sound. Before, only elites bought US treasuries. Now, blockchain breaks giant assets into tiny pieces. Regular people buy fractions. Playing field is level. Everyone trades on equal ground. Power shifts to you. Borders fall. Central banks panic. Crypto moves too fast, bypasses control. Now, governments strike back. They launch official digital coins. Battle for your wallet begins. Who wins this global war? State digital coins fail. Citizens walk away. They want real yield, not government control. People flood bank-backed tokenized assets instead. Private yield wins. Public trust dies. This shift is massive. Traditional stock exchanges lock doors forever. Legacy clearing houses collapse. Bankruptcy. Why? Blockchain settles trades instantly. Middlemen die. Old finance giants fall. Can you survive this new instant era? Borders crumbled. National walls could not stop digital flood. Every dollar, euro, yen swept into one global ledger. Now, single decentralized network holds all power. No turning back. Few giant banks now hold keys to all world wealth. New financial elite controls global ledger. Every transaction, every dollar under their watch. Your money not yours anymore. Who owns your future? Two paths lie before you. Central control or absolute freedom. Ledger is written, but choice remains. Will you bow to new masters, or will you stand and fight for your sovereignty?